Welcome, and let's talk about Terra Classic price prediction. Remember earlier, so many people believe Terra Classic is going towards hitting 100,000% increase in price, but I think Terra Classic actually hit that level in 2023, but it all depends on two major factors. Yes, for Terra Classic to hit 100,000% increase in price. That simply means $100 investment will return about $100,000. Well, to me, I think Terra Classic is going to really increase, because when you take a look at the project, you take a look at what they're actually working towards lately, Terra Classic have really shown good interest. It shows a signal that people are going to rush this coin very soon. Now, I still believe for Terra Classic token to hit that level of hitting 100,000% increase in price, this coin need to burn about almost 10 to 30 billion coins per day. Yes, so many people believe that the 1.2% tax bond was actually going to create more impact for Terra Classic. The 1.2% tax bond is going to push this coin to really increase in price, but today Terra Classic 1.2% tax bond have not even burned up to 200 million coins. So many people actually are disappointed with the 1.2% tax bond, because right now it have not really burned a lot. But though Terra Classic have been burning billions of coins, but that is normal. People have been supporting this coin, trying to burn this coin. Binance, Kucoin, absolutely supporting Terra Classic. I still believe, of course, that the next year, 2023, we might see Terra Classic start burning the billions of Terra Classic coin in a single day. And if Terra Classic can hit up to 10 billion to 30 billion coins born in a day, I mean, this coin definitely is going to really increase in price. Then 2023, definitely 100,000% might be possible if this coin can destroy the amount of circulating supply they have. Almost 6 trillion coins in circulation. So burning about 10 to 30 billion coins in a single day definitely means that within the next few months, this coin rather is going to burn billions of Terra Classic, trillions of Terra Classic coin. And I believe, of course, 2023 is going to be a better year, because imagine destroying 5 trillion of 5.8 trillion Terra Classic coins. That simply means we'll be left with about 100 to 200 billion Terra Classic coin. That can push Terra Classic to hit a massive increase in price. Remember, Binance founder CZ is also supporting this coin. He even owns this coin, so he's not giving up on Terra Classic. I believe Terra Classic is going to become one of the biggest coin in 2023. Yes, but remember, even though you want to invest, you want to buy and hold it, remember to invest what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry where anything can happen. So I believe, of course, Terra Classic is going to be one of the biggest coins next year, but let's keep our mind towards burning the Terra Classic coin, because that is the only thing that will really push this coin. That's the only thing that will help Terra Classic coin to really start increasing in price. Right now, the market cap have dropped below $1 billion after hitting $2 billion. I still believe the market cap next year is going to hit over $3 to $5 billion market cap, which definitely is going to push Terra Classic coin to hit a massive level.